Hi guys, my name is Sean, yeah, from invoCall. So today I would like to do a quick demo regarding to our attendance software. Okay, so what we are doing here is a cloud-based attendance software. We are using face recognitions and thumbprint device or mobile app. Okay, so this is the dashboard for the admin to access to check the attendance. Okay, so for example that you have multiple outlets, you can view uh, different outlets from the company admin account. Okay, so this will be accessed by the HQ team. Okay, so the next thing we have here is all the employees database. Okay, we can see all the employee database. We can search by the outlets. Okay, all right, and then we can edit. We can put all the data here. Okay, and we have this is our add shift. Okay, we you can just customize any shift patterns that you want. All right, so we can actually set what is the start time, what is the end time, what is the grace time. Grace time means that after 10 o'clock it will be considered late. Okay, and what time is the overtime starts, and then we have early OT end. We have break durations, and then we can break it down to break 1, break 2, break 3. We have like fixed OT, extra OT. We have overnight shift as well. Okay, we do all these settings is because our software can actually do auto calculations for all these things. Okay, once we have the shift, then we can assign shift for the employees. Okay, so let's say you only have morning or night shift, then we can apply, like say I want all these to be morning shift. I'll just click this and then I'll put morning. I'll save. Okay, so it will go to all the morning shift. Okay, so let's say that we want to change the shift from morning to um let's say a full shift. Okay, so it can automatically change here. All right, so once we have shift, then you will see this. Okay, first we can filter by outlets. Okay, we can look at the months. Okay, departments and employee. Okay, the green icon here represents present. Okay, and then the red ones means absent. Okay, all these data are real time, means that from the locations that they clock in, the dashboard can actually receive it straight away. Okay, so you can actually see who's absent during the day. All right, and then we have paid leave, unpaid leave, half day paid, half day unpaid. These are all shift. Okay, so system can also detect that for example, this employee, they come in the morning, they go out for lunch, and they never come back. System can actually detect them as a half day. Okay, and then if you see the red icon means they are absent. This icon here means they are no shift, means that they work but without a shift. It could be a rest day. Okay, so from here you can see all the attendance, and then when you click on this button here, employee summary, it will redirect you to the employee summary page. Okay, from here you can see what's the clock in time, clock out time, what's the break time. Okay, and then what time they finish work. Okay, so from total hours onwards, everything is auto calculated. Okay, so we will calculate the total hours. We will get the work hours, means that total hours minus off break hours, it become work hours. Okay, the late in. Okay, if let's say my shift starts at 10 o'clock, I come in at 10:05, system will auto calculate 5 minutes late. Okay, so for this one, late break, for example, we set the break duration is 1 hour. and then I go out for 1 hour and 52 minutes, system will auto calculate 52 minutes. Okay, so early out, if I go back earlier, okay, if I go back earlier, uh, then system will auto calculate this early out. Okay, for OT, we have 3 OTs. One is normal OT, public holiday, and rest day. Okay, so the system will calculate for you as well for the OT, so you don't have to calculate one by one. Okay, our OT is subject to approval, so we either can do auto approve, or we just turn the auto approve on, means that the outlet manager, the branch manager can do approval from there. It's very simple. They click on this setting button, they can approve or reject here. Even the late break say they want to reject, it is possible. Okay, all right, so by end of the day, we will calculate everything for you here. Okay, so the late in 30 minutes, the late break 57 minutes, the early out 3 hours and 43 minutes, so the total will be 5 hours and 10 minutes. That's for the deductions. Okay, and then we will calculate OT for you as well. This is the total OT hours, and if they have OT public holiday or OT rest day, it will be separated out here. Okay, because the rates are different. Okay, we also have these features called deduct from OT. Means that we take lateness time, deduct on the OT hours if you guys use it, for example, like this. Okay, so the lateness will be deducted. Okay, the OT will be deducted, so it left 20 hours and 8 minutes. Okay, we will also tell you what's the total days of working. 22.5 days, because they took a half day leave, half day paid, half day unpaid, you know. Okay, so from our system, we can put the remarks at the back, say warning 1, warning 2, you know. We just put any remarks that you want at the back. Okay, for sure. And then you can actually select, let's say your cutoff time is from 25th to 24th. Okay, you just hit filter, and then everything will be calculated from 25th to 24th. Okay, it depends on what is the cutoff date, that cutoff date for your payroll. Okay, for OT, if you don't want to do one by one, then you can actually go to OT sheet here. You can do you can approve all OT with one button, or you can just do it from here. Okay, you can see all the employees with all the OT hours. Okay, you can also use this to find out who's having missing clockings. So if you see the button, if you see the red text here, say MI, it means missing in. Okay, if there's a MO, means it's a missing out. What you need to do is you just need to go and fix it. Okay, you can just add the clockings in. Okay, you can add, you can edit, you can do anything you want. All right, so for public holidays, we will go by branch, because some companies, they have different branch in different states, so they have different public holiday. Okay, so we can just use say Selangor, we will do Selangor's public holiday. For Kelantan, we will do Kelantan's public holiday. Okay, so once we have this all this public holiday, whoever works on public holiday, it will consider them as work on public holiday, and also OT for PH. Okay, we also have logs, means that whoever edit, okay, whoever edit or do anything, it will show it here. Okay, so the last part will be export summary. Okay, we can export by outlets, we can export all outlets, we can export by employees or departments. Okay, we can choose it from to. We will have different type of summary. I will show you. Okay, so for example, this is our short summary. Oh, this is our short summary. We have all the employee IDs, total of working days, total of work days, absent days, leave day, unpaid leave, work rest day, work holiday. And then we will also give you the OT after after conversions. Okay, so 13.77 hours. So you just take this to do your payroll. OT for rest day, you see, if there's a OT for rest day, it will come out here. OT for public holiday, it will come out here. Okay, we will also have the lateness count, means that this employee actually late for how many times, and then what is the total hours. Okay, so we will also give you a full report. Okay, it will come in the zip folder. This is just for you to keep a copy. Okay, so what you need to do is you just unzip it. Inside the file, there will be a individual's summary. Okay, so let's say it says, Sean, I want to see you regarding to your attendance. So what you need to do is just print out this page. Okay, you come out and then you look at the remark, say, Sean, why are you always stomach ache? Okay, and then you say traffic jam, you say this and that. Okay, and then you can show me like what's my late hours, what's my late hours in total. Okay, what's my late break, what's my early out. Okay, so this is just for you to keep a copy. Okay, we also have different types of payroll. I'm not sure that what payroll you are using it. So right now we only integrate with AutoCount payroll and also SQL payroll. Okay, if you are using any third-party payrolls, you may contact your vendor and then say, hey, we are using this software, and then they are interested in doing the integration, so we can actually speak to the vendor directly. Okay, so that's all for today, and then I will drop you an email regarding to our face recognition device and also the mobile app. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you.